deck is painted with a solid decking stain.
Yeah, it's pretty solid.
It's solid.
I don't know why this rail
Let's
is-
change out this board because it's all cracked down at the end
Yep,
there.
yep.
And I always like for folks to have the nicest place to rest their hands. As a teaser, we have this lumber that we like using. It's called Batu. It's like a hardwood lumber, and you put that railing there and it's permeated with oil right from the lumber yard, and it's really like a mahogany but harder, and it's a great place to sit and have coffee like this and lean, and it's really
I do.
it's really pretty.
It's funny that this, I used to always do that, but now that it's actually leaning, I'm afraid to lean on it. It seems
No
pretty
way,
solid,
that's solid.
right?
Yes, you
So
got.
then why is it leaning?
Do you have cosmetic issues? Wood is going to behave how it wants to. It twists and it turns a little bit, but you're not so bad off. I mean, we don't like that it has a bow shape here. So let's say one rail here, one rail there. Let's get that straight. I mean, even if we rebuilt this section right here, it's not the end of the world. That's straightforward carpentry. Yes, let's change all of this top stuff out. No big deal. Even if we use pressure treated, it's just those planks. And we're concerned about structurally, this thing likes to shift.
It does, it shifts.
So we hammer a piece of wood super tight into there and into here, and the same thing over there and over here. We use overly huge screws that it's what you would attach to the house with the ledger board. Send enormous screws into there, boom, boom. I could even use, there's locking hardware that goes through with bolts over there. Anyways, I could over-engineer that to make it like you could run a bus into it.
What about putting my lattice work back?
Sure.
My daughter ripped it all
We'll give
out.
you some plastic lattice work over the top, nice white. All you have to do is ever pressure wash it, or we could paint it to the side and use the wood, but it rots because it comes in contact with the ground.
Is that the problem?
Yeah, heck yeah. Water still wants to be.
You can see the lattice work we used to have under the stairs.
Yeah, no,
It's wood.
the weed whackers and things start chewing it up. But still, if you want lattice, we can easily get the lattice back on there. So me and Caesar will have a little powwow in the truck. How much time would we need to do this?
Yeah, you could just text me.
Uh-huh. This board is warped into a banana.
Is that the problem?
Yeah, that board has warped into a banana.
Is that why it's...
That's exactly
falling
why.
like it?
That's exactly why. The grain on the board wants to do what it wants to do, and as it sits there for a while.
All right, so that's the problem.
This chunk we would probably build for you new, or minimally I would knock these things off and just have you a new plate here at the bottom. Okay. Straightforward, easy carpentry.